This is my old golf bag. Zipper's not working. It's falling apart. None of the things are organized. None of my golf sticks are organized. So we're gonna upgrade this one to a new one. This is my new upgrade that I just got. Now I'm gonna show you a couple things. This is a must. I like the actual pockets in the back, so you can put your wallet, your keys, and right now I'm wearing some shorts that, are not capable of handling that stuff. And I like the extra side pockets. Now, I did get the ones with the extra dividers. Make sure I divide everything. Everything looks intact. Now, it does have a backpack shoulder mount, if you guys can see that. So if you're gonna use it, mostly if it's too heavy for you, this is a great option to do that. It has a grip here. I like that. When you stand it down, legs kick out. You could adjust them a little bit better if you want, but right now they're perfect. I'm picking it up so you guys can see a little bit that it's lightweight. I do have even a pencil mark. Put this down here. Pencil mark area, you can put your pencils in here. I like that. Your pens to mark out things. Large bag intake in here. So this part right here, look at this. Lots of room in here. You can put your best. Look at that. The cover's in there too. So if it, in case it rains, you know where to put it in there. Now we're going to put it back in here. And then, of course, you got a side pocket here. This one, if you want to put your tee-offs. You hang your towel in here. And that's why it has a little towel figure here, so you can see it. I like the whole thing itself. It has two double side pockets on each side. And, of course, it tells you coldness because this has a cover for keeping anything cold. Drinks, beers, sodas. And we are going to actually start transferring everything over to here, so let's go ahead and do that.